Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. This watch is sent over by Adam Benedict. I did not pay for this watch, so I'll mark it as a paid promotion. So it says Inhale on here, and that's because the watch has a scale around the inside of the dial, which counts down or allows you to time your breathing, which is a cool concept. Always use a reminder to use some breathing exercises. I know I sit at a desk all day and usually breathe in shallow breaths, so you're supposed to take in deep breaths to get more oxygen, I believe. I read that a long time ago. Not sure how true it is, but I know I need to practice breathing some more often. So, all right, I have a little note here from Adam. So let's get this open. Oh, that's a cool box. Looks like a cigar box. Maybe it looks like a cedar, I would think. Oops. The lid of the box came off. I just tilted the whole thing over. So let's get it out of here. So yeah, so that would just sit on there. It's kind of a neat way to do that. I'm somewhat of a woodworker, so I always like looking at how wood items are constructed. So nice. Almost looks like it's, I would say that's probably laser cut, which I don't have one of those machines, but anyway. Yeah, cool little box here. And there is, again, Adam Benedict Mindful Timekeeping. So looks we have a NATO strap, a spring bar tool, and then a little microfiber cloth here. Yeah, neat packaging here. Set this off to the side and we'll zoom in here. This feels like a canvas pouch. And it's on a nice vintage style leather strap as well. I believe these are $299 on the website. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. So I was able to pick the colorway that I wanted, and I really like this Asphalt colorway. It's kind of a brownish, grayish color. Maybe it's just gray. Yeah, I guess it's more of a gray. Let me know what you guys think of the color there. But as you know, I'm a fan of orange, and this has some orange highlights, so I figured this was the colorway for me. As you can see, it is a quartz movement. Swiss quartz movement according to the back here. Let's zoom in, take a closer look at the case back. It's 100 meter water resistant. These are limited editions. There's probably, I think it's 5 or 6 different colorways. Swiss movement, US assembled, very nice. And a sapphire crystal. So always appreciate sapphire crystal. It is a flat sapphire crystal. I would say there's no AR coating applied, which is fine for flat sapphire. Don't really need it. Okay, let me get this on wrist. I guess we're right on time here. I think they're based in New York, which is the same time zone as Michigan. So anyway, let me zoom out and get this on wrist, then we'll close out the video here. We'll check out the lume in the full video. Looks like the NATO strap's not branded. Looks like a nice strap. Should go nice with this watch here. Actually, okay, so this does not have quick release spring bars, so you can just use these same spring bars for the NATO strap here. But I am planning on leaving it on this leather. I like the look of this vintage leather with the watch. So here's a quick look at it side by side with the Submariner. And then we'll bring over the SKX. All right, let's get this guy on wrist and we'll close out the video. It almost feels like a Horween leather strap. But again, I'm not really much of a leather expert, but I would have to guess. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to look at the website again. Horween leather is pretty expensive from what I remember. Okay, so 6.5-inch wrist, and looks like I'm on the last hole position here. And this is signed with the Adam Benedict logo. So here we go on my wrist. I think it looks all right on my wrist. I'd have to guess it's probably about a 40mm watch. So big thanks to Adam Benedict for sending this over for us to check out. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. Also, I'll show you the dial again real close here in a second. I wanted to show you these timing marks. So from what I remember on their website, the 4 seconds is to inhale, and then I think it's 6 seconds to exhale. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So 4 to inhale and 6 to exhale. All right, that will conclude this unboxing. As always, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you're not yet already subscribed.